Hey there, history buffs! Ever wondered how that fizzy drink in your hand took over the world? Grab a soda and let's dive into the refreshing history of soda drinks. It all started in the United States back in the 19th century. The fascinating journey began with the process of carbonation, adding carbon dioxide to water under pressure. This all kicked off in the late 1700s when some clever folks started experimenting with carbonated water. Fast forward to the early 1800s, and you've got pharmacists and chemists mixing flavors and sweeteners into carbonated water. They created the first soda fountains where people could enjoy these delightful bubbly beverages. Imagine walking into one of those old-timey pharmacies and getting a fresh, fizzy drink right there. By the mid-19th century, soda fountains were booming in the United States. They became a social hub where friends gathered and enjoyed a variety of new and exciting flavors. This marked the beginning of soda's commercial success, and it didn't stop there. Soda drinks quickly spread across the globe, becoming a staple beverage for people of all ages. From classic cola to exotic fruit flavors, soda became a worldwide sensation. Now let's talk about what makes a soda drink. The main ingredients are pretty simple: carbonated water, sweeteners like sugar or high fructose corn syrup, flavorings such as cola or lemon lime, and sometimes a bit of caffeine for that extra kick. The magic happens during carbonation. Carbon dioxide is dissolved under pressure into water, creating that fizzy base we all love. Then flavoring syrups or extracts are added to create specific soda flavors. Finally, these refreshing drinks are packaged in cans or bottles, ready to be enjoyed. You can find them in all sorts of sizes and packaging formats, making soda drinks accessible to everyone. Over the years, soda has evolved into a vast array of flavors and varieties. Whether you're a fan of classic cola, zesty lemon lime, or adventurous fruit flavors, there's a soda out there for you. And despite the evolving tastes and trends, soda drinks continue to be a popular choice for refreshment worldwide. So the next time you pop open a can of soda, take a moment to appreciate the rich history behind that bubbly delight. From humble beginnings in the 19th century to global domination, soda drinks have certainly made their mark on the world. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more fascinating histories. Cheers!